In this video, I will explain how to prepare to do a sight reading factory assignment. So if you're having trouble hearing pitches and singing them, you can click this Start Sight Reading button, which will just give you some practice exercises without you being graded. So let me click that. And let's say you're having trouble doing a minor piece. So you can first of all select your favorite voice part. So if you're a bass, click bass. And I'll usually let you know what level your assignment's at, or you can look at the assignment, it will tell you. Let's say and you might want to start at a lower level. So let's start at level 2 and 4/4. And we want to pick minor. So you click minor, C minor. And then you can start free play. Begin challenge will give you a countdown just like your assignment. I would usually start free play. That's what I do in class. And the advantage of this is that you can play it before you sing it. So you can come up here. You can set your tempo over here first. Usually I do it around 72. And then play it so you can hear how it sounds. And try to sing along maybe. Ti, ti, do, mi, re, do, mi, do, la, la. And then maybe try it by yourself without the piano. And then you can click next, get another melody, or you'll say, oh, I have that level mastered. You can click over here and change levels by clicking up here. Let's go to levels 3 and try one at level 3. And you'll see you got some eighth notes now and a dotted quarter. And if you're not sure how to do those, hit the play button. La, do, re, do, ti, do, do, mi, do, la, so, la, ti, do, re, do, mi, fa, mi, do, la. After you've done some of those with the piano, then you can go back to your assignment. Hopefully you got that minor scale in your ear and can knock them out.